Hello students. So right now I am going to teach you mode of nutrition. And what about mode of nutrition? So first of all, what about mean of mode of nutrition and nutrient? How can we explain and how can we compare between nutrition and nutrient? Nutrition a user form, but nutrient a using form. Okay, user using. Okay. Nutrient made by a organic and inorganic substance, and nutrition use of nutrient. Okay, clear? Very simple word. Okay. And after, what about nutrition and how can we consider it is nutrition or not? So first upon carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate, minerals, and proteins, lipids, phospholipids. Phospholipid means lipid plus protein. Okay, component of lipid plus protein, it is called phospholipid. Phospholipid is soluble form. Clear? So what about carbohydrate? Carbohydrate means three words. Okay, carbo, carbon, hydrate, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate means they are composed by three elements, means carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so next, what about carbohydrate? A simple definition form. So you can call, after carbohydrate you can take growth, development and energy, GDE. Here same nutrient, growth, development and energy. Okay, same, clear? Next we will find out nutrient made by organic and inorganic substance. They are composed by organic and inorganic substance and used by nutritional matter. Okay, clear? Next, carbohydrate example and carbohydrate formula, है ना? So what is the formula of carbohydrate? CxH2 all by, simple. Okay, formula will be CxH2O whole by, you can see here, simple. Okay, and what are the examples? So only three examples here: glucose, sugar and starch. And how can we find out formula? By CxH2O whole by, so you have to see here CxH2O whole by, and you can take value x is equal to and y is equal to same value. Okay, no changing, same value here. Okay, you can change here, otherwise you can take same value, but minus H2O and plus H2O, simple variation. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6, and you can see here C6H12O6 by CxH2O all by, and what is it? This is glucose. Okay, clear? And x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5, and you can take total value C6H10O5 and formula of starch C6H10O5, and you can see here plus H2O minus H2O means if you can take same value, then formula will be same. Okay, but minus H2O you can minus 2H and 1O, then C6H10O5, 2H12 minus H10 H2 O6 minus O5, O, simple. Okay, clear? So moral of story means, what about starch and glucose? Starch is the main product of glucose. Starch is the sub product of glucose. Okay, each other relationship, clear? And same SEX2 all by, and you can take value x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 12, C12 H24 O12, but it is wrong formula of sugar. But how can we consider? Minus 2H minus O means minus H2O, you can out minus 2H and single oxygen. Minus 2H and single oxygen minus H2O, that formula will be C12H22O11. Okay, clear? Sugar formula. Carbohydrate clear, nutrient clear and nutrition clear. Okay, Next, topic, position, mode of nutrition. So mode of nutrition, on the basis of method, mode of nutrition are divided into three types. eh? Mode of nutrition, a common position for botany and zoology, okay, not single form, okay. So mode of nutrition are two types, auto, hetero, and sapro is subtype, okay. Otherwise you can take a sapro in heterotropic position, but here three, auto, hetero, sapro. Clear? Next, what about autotropic mode of nutrition? So autotropic mode of nutrition, two types: photoautotropic and chemoautotropic. Photoautotropic means used in sunlight, and chemoautotropic means used in chemical energy. Clear? Autotropic means prepare their own food, okay, not depending conditions. So you can see here in second, heterotropic mode of nutrition: heterotropic, holozoic, parasitic, mutualistic, and symbiosis, okay. And here phototropic mode of nutrition means using chemical energy. You can see here CO2 plus H2 in the presence of green pigment and sunlight. Then you can take main product C6H12O6 plus O2 here, okay. Means photorespiration chemical reaction. Otherwise you can say metabolic for photosynthesis, okay. And we can see here, if we can reverse case, then aerobic respiration for human beings without green pigment and sunlight, okay. Reverse case without green pigment and sunlight, okay. But here phototropic mode of nutrition we use in sun energy, photo energy, you can see here. So CO2 for leaves, absorption, okay, by leaves. H2 in root, okay, clear. And C6H12O6 digest body in a plant, okay, in tissue form, meristematic tissue form, okay. Active cell division present there, okay. And O2 for human beings, clear. And here chemoautotropic non green sulfur like bacteria, nitrogenous bacteria, okay. So NO2 NO3 chemical use in chemical energy. So moral of story, mode of nutrition: first we can learn carbohydrate, then nutrition position and nutrient. Then autotropic mode of nutrition type, photo and chemoautotropic, and we can compare. Next, heterotropic means depending condition, okay. Heterotropic means so first autotropic means you can say second position autotropic, also holophytic, holophytic, holophyte, huh? And heterotropic means holozoic, okay. Holophytic means self condition, okay. And heterotropic depend on other, huh? Holozoic means complete food digesting position. Holozoic are divided into three types: carnivores, omnivores, herbivores, huh? Animals which depend on green plants, it is called herbivores, carnivores, holozoic, and also second omnivores, carni plus herbi, okay, clear. Next, parasitic, you know very well, examples tapeworm, plasmodium, planaria, okay, clear. We can compare, it is very simple method, total simple mode of nutrition, clear. So next type, uh, I want to explain symbiosis form. Saprophytic mode of nutrition means each other relationship between fungus and algae, okay. So I will explain, just wait for 2 minutes.